Okay, hi. We are going to be finding numbers that make rational expressions undefined. Undefined. When is a rational expression undefined? When is any fraction undefined? An undefined fraction has a 0 on the bottom. 0 on bottom. It's that simple. We don't even have a definition for that in our number system. So let's look at negative 23 over 16x. You know what? If x equals 0, then you'll have negative 23 over 16 times 0, which will be negative 23 over 0, which will be totally undefined. Undefined. Although saying equals is not the correct thing. Let's make an arrow that says this implies. All right, let's try another one. How about z plus 6 over z minus 5? Well, if z equals 5, you'll have 5 minus 5, which is 0. So, z cannot equal 5. Because if it does, the whole denominator will equal 0. So, the number z equals 5 will make the rational expression undefined. And we cannot allow that to happen. How about 4w squared over 2w plus 7? Now it's starting to get a little difficult. This is what I have to do to find out what number the w can equal, because w is the variable. What will w equal that will make this rational expression undefined? That is, what's going to make the denominator equal 0? Well, I don't know, so let's find out. 2w plus 7 equals 0. Then whatever answer I have for w is the one that will make the denominator equal 0. So subtract 7, subtract 7. I'll have 2w equals negative 7, and then divide by 2 and divide by 2, so that if w equals negative 7 over 2, we're going to be in deep doo-doo. Because negative 7 over 2 will make the RE, the rational expression, undefined, which is something we simply cannot allow to happen. Okay, now we're going to look at 3x plus 3 over x squared plus 8x plus 15. We're going to be looking for the value of x that will make this rational expression undefined. But when you have a more complicated rational expression like this, You have to factor everything. So we're going to have 3 times x plus 1 over, now 15 factors into 3 times 5, and 3 plus 5 equals 8. So that tells me how to factor x squared plus 8x plus 15. Okay, I factored the top just in case something up there would cancel out, but it won't. And don't even think about canceling these 3's. That 3 is by itself. This 3 is stuck onto x plus. It's part of a binomial, so you can't get in there. All right, now, I need to take the denominator and set it equal to 0. When I do that, I'll set each of my factors equal to 0. So, I'll get x equals negative 3 and x equals negative 5. These are the two numbers that will cause this rational expression to become undefined. So I'm going to put a slash through it like this. X cannot equal negative 3. X cannot equal negative 5. Okay, one more. Let's look at one more. How about this? Y squared minus 6y over 9. Well, at this point, I could certainly factor the top, and it's a good idea to always factor when you can. However, there is no letter, no variable on the bottom of that fraction. 9 is just 9. It's constant. So nothing will make this rational expression undefined. You're safe here. All the numbers that y could equal are okay because nothing can possibly make that denominator equal 0 because there's a 9 there and there's no variable that 9 could multiply to equal 0. 9 will never equal 0. So, there you go. Talk to you later.